Hey, it's Rick Khan here, and in this video we're going to look into how to target Facebook audiences in 2022 post iOS. Now, in the past, Facebook targeting worked using a lot of interest-based targeting, taking groups of people who interacted and liked certain interests, and then that gave us the ability to go into the audience insight tools to find and target these specific interests. However, since post iOS, Apple then asked their users if they wanted to be tracked, and obviously most people will decline, which has also caused a decline in Facebook's ability to track outside of the Facebook platform. So here's the thing. What should you be doing right now to target the best audiences on Facebook? Well, here's 3 solutions you should be implementing right away if you want the most from targeting audiences. And starting with the first is to keep it in Facebook, meaning collect most of your data in the Facebook ads platform so it can track as much data as possible for you to target. And a strategy I personally use is video views. I would create a video, then open the targeting to broad and call out my audience using something called dog whistle copy. This is a term used by Dan Kennedy that helps to shout out your message to your audience who you want to speak to, such as attention bike lovers, calling all knitting fanatics, to all fashion lovers. When they watch this video, I would then create a lookalike audience from 50%, 75% and 95% video views that's made up from the big 4 countries, which is US, UK, Australia and Canada. This strategy has done absolute wonders, and to be fair, has been better than most interest-based targeting even pre-iOS. Now, the second solution is to open up your targeting. This is when you're at the top of your funnel targeting cold audiences, but leaving your targeting wide open with little to no specifics within the audience selection. So you're leaving out the interest target blank and also the custom audiences blank. You can still leave in any exclusions if you don't want to target people in your list or past purchases and so on. But what you're doing is allowing Facebook's AI to take over and let them decide who is best for your audience. Because let's be honest, Facebook is a lot more intelligent than we are as advertisers trying to find the right audience. And here's the thing, when you open your targeting, it's also allowing room for scaling because of the wide open space for Facebook to find people who best match purchasers and leads for your business. It's a lot more of a bigger net, as opposed if we restrict it with our own audience selection. And as long as you stop your ads from fatiguing out and consistently creating fresh creative, this will allow your ads to run for a much longer time frame. And finally, what you can do is upload your own data. If you have a purchase list or a lead list, you should be uploading all these emails into your Facebook as soon as possible. If you don't have any of this information, the first 2 solutions will still work very effective. But your email list will have a lot of power behind it because retargeting people who already know you has always been the gold when targeting an audience. And perhaps best of all, you can also create more lookalike audiences based on the people who have likely took a specific action with your business. So to quickly summarize everything, there's still a lot of opportunity with targeting audiences. As advertisers and media buyers, platforms like Facebook are always evolving and changing, which means we must do the same to keep up with staying relevant to the change. And if you take anything from this, your copy, your angle, your hooks and your offers will always be the key to your success when advertising on Facebook. Then you can take these and put them in front of the audience, such as building up the video views, use broad targeting and using your list to set yourself up for success. And as always, if you have any questions, make sure to leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer any questions. Until then, stay tuned for more videos by making sure you subscribe.